Canon law is the laws and regulations over ecclesiastical matters developed between circa 1100 and 1500 and used by the Roman Catholic Church, in reference to personal morality, status and powers of the clergy, administration of the sacraments and church, and personal discipline. Canon law comprises ordinances of general councils of the Church, decrees, bulls and epistles of the popes, and the scriptures and writings of the early fathers of the Church. Canon law has no legal force except within the Vatican in Rome, Italy, and in those nations in which the Catholic Church is the official church, and where it prevails in religious matters which may affect all citizens. In Great Britain, there is also a body of canon law dating back to pre-reformation in the 16th century, which is used by the Anglican Church. Canon law is not to be confused with professional canons, which are rules of conduct with no religious connection.